ndera amataka ga government Ebyaapa okwehara omuze gw'abantu kutahirira amataka ga government aga.
It is the primary role of the district to protect it, but also to survey and title it. I have asked the chairperson, the COW, and the respective land boards and area land committees to ensure that wherever there is land belonging to government, it should be surveyed off and titled. Because we have these services in the districts, they were centralized. Each district has a district planner, each district has a district staff surveyor, they have the area land committees and the land board. Meaning that those respective technical institutions in a district can be in position to survey, make an application form. Once a file is complete and endorsed by the district land board, then titles will be processed.
Oguyayongera yasima entekateka ya government ya America hamwe na Uganda okutaho entekateka yo kuhereza abantu abatari kwebasa omu district ziri mu Kiruhura, Ibanda, Mbarara hamwe na Rwampara Ebyaapa ebyamataka gabo.
Issues, but also to give titles for SLAAC program that started some time back. His Excellency guided and allowed the Ministry of Lands to take on SLAAC program under SEDE. It is a World Bank funded project. It is operating in the districts of Kiruhura, Ibanda, Rwampara and Mbarara. We are so happy that we are delivering. Of course, we are running out of time because of the technicalities that have been surrounding the program. But right now we are energized and we know that we have to deliver on these titles because we got these monies to make sure that people get what is called land tenure security.
Njero ahabwa district ya Kiruhura nawe yashaba abantu bona batunga Ebyaapa ebi obutatwara Ebyaapa byo mu banka hamwe no muri za kafuna.
Mbwene ntibakiri umunonga uraro tungire ecyapa cyawe bakaba kafuna bakakitwara abo kubancho bategereze nangwa na za banka hata nziza kujaza bayiha abantu sote sente tibiza kushasho mbwene ninye hanangiriza abantu ngo berinde yapajabo kafuna tabatwara ku cya kabiri omuranga gwa muzeye bwo bagabaganisa amataka
Gemtwari 15 zikabasha tuna mushanju zikaba makunyana ikaba miliyoni imwe no basakferwe cyapa cy'ibiro n'ibiro ahasente za kafuna kana tabakafu no bamangu mwine Ebyaapa mukuri tumwa kigaraka kweguruza na kugira ati girota
kandi bamwe abatunga Ebyaapa ebi bashobora ibintu bibarabiremo okwikahabanguza obu
paneza kukirindage yindisizamu ni impinga, embuzi, ente, enkoko, byona nko kubasika. Ahabo ko bacyona nho nyina amatsiko ngo kimwe cyona kiriya.
Neza ko ramwe mirimo yone y'indwenda, neza kwingamu, neza ko business, ahabo ko bayobora mbwene watambire yate Ebyaapa. Omuntu abari aho ashitami konka atakumanya ngo neja kuguma hayitageyo konka ntumusima. Nabo iki oweto ndwakobo
Kali, we issued titles totaling to 400 titles in the areas of Sanga and Kanyaryeru within Kiruhura district. For those who were not able to get titles today, we believe that as we continue in this process and this program of government called SLAAC, we shall be able to give you the titles as we title them with our Ministry of Lands, Housing.
Ndi Job Kato habwa Sky TV agenshonga omuri Kiruhura.
Ebare Job Kato abamakurago